Hello, and welcome to Everything Finance, where I help business owners get funding, startup business owners get funding, and also offer credit repair service to help not only business owners but regular people as well. So, today's video is going to be about how to fix bad credit. So, first of all, let's start with your credit history and what makes it good or bad. Whether you have good or bad credit is based on your credit history. Find out what your credit history looks like by checking your credit report. Your credit report has information about whether you paid your bills on time, what loans and credit cards you have, and the amounts you owe, and whether you filed for bankruptcy. The more positive information you have in your credit report, like on-time payments and low credit card balances, the better. So, what happens if there's negative information on your credit report? Credit bureaus sell the information in your credit report to businesses that use it to decide whether to loan you money, give you credit, offer you insurance, or rent or sell you a home. Some employers use credit reports to decide whether to hire you. Whether you have good or bad credit, history also affects how much you'll have to pay to borrow money. If there's a lot of negative information in your report, you might have to pay more in interest. So, you may be asking, can I get negative information removed from my credit report if it's true? Well, usually not. Companies that promise to repair your credit can't remove true information, but negative information does go away over time. Most negative information will stay on your report for 7 years, and bankruptcy information will stay on for 10 years. And in some cases, like when you're being considered for a job paying more than $75,000 a year and you're trying to get a loan or insurance valued at more than $150,000, a credit bureau may decide or include older negative information on your report that wouldn't show up otherwise. So you may be asking, how do I know what's in my credit report? Well, all three nationwide credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, have permanently extended a program that lets everyone in the U.S. check their credit report from each once a week for free. In addition, each nationwide credit bureau is required to give you a free copy of your credit report once every 12 months if you ask for it. Otherwise, a credit bureau may charge you a reasonable amount for another copy of your report within a 12-month period. While you're able to get all three bureau reports at once, you might think about spreading them out. Some financial advisors say staggering your requests can help keep an eye on whether the information in your reports are accurate and complete. But since each credit bureau gets its information from different sources, the information in one credit bureau's report might not be completely the same as information in the other credit reports from the other two credit bureaus. Also, through 2026, everyone in the U.S. can get 6 free credit reports per year by visiting the Equifax website. You're also able to get another free report each year if you are unemployed and plan to look for a job within 60 days. you're on public assistance like welfare, your report is inaccurate because of fraud, including identity theft. If you think someone might be using your personal information to open accounts, file taxes, or buy things, go to identitytheft.gov to report it and get a personalized recovery plan. So you may be asking, what happens if a company takes a negative action against me because of something in my credit report? Well, be sure to check your credit reports before you apply for credit, a loan, insurance, or a job. If you find mistakes in your credit report, contact the credit bureaus and the businesses that supply the information about you to get the mistakes removed. When a company takes adverse action against you, like turning you down for credit or a job because of something in your credit report, you are entitled to another free credit report. To get it, ask for it within 60 days of getting notified about the action. The company must send you a notice that includes the name, addresses, and phone numbers of the credit bureau that gave the company your credit report, so you'll know which credit bureau to ask. So, now we've getting to the end of the video. You may be asking, well, I do see negative stuff on my credit report. I want to get it off, and I'm trying to get my credit back on point. Well, the first thing I would do, I wouldn't try to go at it on my own. I would let the professionals handle it, since they know the law. And the company that I've partnered up with that can help assist you in this situation is called ASCAP Credit Repair. I will put the link in the description so you can click on it right away. They have 20 years of experience. You know, they give free attorney advice with over 1,500 Google reviews. So I would most likely get up with this services, you know. Plus they average 73% average success rate, 100% money back guarantee. So you can't beat that. So again, I will probably choose something like this, you know. So to give you a little bit more details about it, they offer a flat free pricing. They only charge you for items they go after. That's it. They only charge you for items that they go after. Like I said, they offer 100% money back guarantee, and they will dispute all your derogatory items all at once. Not just, one by one like, other services do. They go after it all at once. You'll get a dedicated senior consultant and senior account manager who works with you along the way. So you don't have to worry about, being alone and nobody, you can't get a hold of anyone. You don't have to worry about that. And from their experience, they started back in 2008. So this company have been a while, around for a while. So you don't have to worry about are they doing anything shaky or anything like that. And their customer service, their entire team, love helping clients. That's their number one goal. That's their motto. So you get your credit consultation And they also offer personal financial advice. So once you get your credit, start getting your credit repaired and get all those negative things off your credit, they can also give you personal financial advice. You can cancel at any time, no contracts. So, like I said, no shady business here. And they usually can get you results within 60 to 90 days, depending upon, your personal credit report. So, of course, this is a case by case basis, So, I would give these guys a shot, get in contact with them and see how can they help your situation so you could get that house that you want, or you could get that job that you want, or you could get that business loan that you want. Okay, so that concludes this video. I hope you learned some things. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace and take care. See you in the next one.